So another strategy to improve memory is digital detoxing. Now, I tried to be a bit sneaky here, like I usually am, because if an exam question says, what's one strategy for improving cognition? If we say digital detoxing, it can actually include 3, and that will make it easier for students to write about. And I'll show you the 3 in a moment, because you know I love the rule of 3s. Okay, I need to update that slide because that slide is wrong. The key question should be, what is a digital detox and how can a digital detox improve memory? All right, come back to the crossword puzzle. Now we're at the end of the unit. Kind of interesting look at how the screen time affects the brain. These students are about to do a memory reading comprehension test, so could they think of 3 ways that they might be able to improve their memory? Give them 10 minutes to read this, and then give them a quick test here in their workbooks. Okay, so 3 ways for the digital detox. 1, they could read books on print, they could take notes with pen and paper, and they could cut out social media to reduce their anxiety. These 3 things would help, could help boost their memory. Okay, and so we're coming back to the idea of smartphones and screens, adding to cognitive load, adding to extraneous cognitive load, whereas print reading reduces extraneous cognitive load, thus being better for comprehension. And it's a pretty consistent finding. I mean, this is this is what I call bullshit on a lot of people in education that are saying they're trying to do the best thing, but yet will do actually what is the cheapest thing. Because just books and pen and paper. Right, students should be reading books, and again, it's not because I sell a digital textbook and I've got a blog and I YouTube videos, and you're watching this on YouTube, and I'm selling ebooks. So this is not just to sell textbooks. It's like I just think students should be reading printed books. It'd be so much better. All right, and then just talk, typing and handwriting, and reducing anxiety. Okay, now so. The next step, this is pretty much the content done. You could break this preparing for their first essay into 3 steps. In the workbook, I put some exam questions. I put an example answer. And then I tried to do a scaffolded essay. It's probably not easy to do. I mean, it wasn't easy for me to create, especially with this content. But students could try it, have a go. I just tried to plan out, the main paragraphs that they might write about in an essay, and knowing that this is not what they would be aiming for to produce for a 7 by the end of the course, but as a first attempt this would be more than enough. And I also put this as a digital file in the activities if they want to type it out, although you've got the ChatGPT issue to contend with there. Okay, there I've linked there the blog post on the triple cheeseburger essay plan. And that's us, although I have added a review lesson, which I'll explain briefly in the next video.